Hello friends, welcome to Teach Smart Learn Smart. I have built this vehicle. The left motor, which is this one, is connected to port A, and the right motor is connected to port B. So now I wanted to show you how we can make smooth turns with two different angles, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, any angles to the left or to the right. Yeah, so let's see how we do it. Okay, in order to save some time, I have just made it ready for you. So the first, when the program starts, there should be two settings. The first one is set the motors, which motors should have the movement. So the left motor is A, which is connected to port A, and the right motor is connected to port B. So these are two motors that should have movements. And the movement speed is I have selected to be 20% in order to have a smooth and slow movement. So these are the two settings from the beginning. And now there are different ways to code. One way is that you write everything in the same flow, and yeah, you do what you want to do, and that's it. And the other way is that you make a block or a function that you can use it. You can use the block or function many times. So here in my blocks, you make a new block or a new function. You name it new function, as I have done there, and you have to add inputs and a label for inputs, and then save them. I do not want to do it again. I have done so the name of my block or function is turn, and turn, I have an angle, and the angle, the label of the angle, or the unit of the angle is degrees. So first, what we should do, every time we have to turn, we have to wait a second in order to stand still and then turn. If the motors are in movement and we turn, then the turning will not be precise. So we wait a second, and then what we do, we set the yaw angle of the gyro sensor. This is the gyro sensor, or the hub. The angle of this should be set to 0. No matter if it's located like this or like this or like this, or anyway, its angle should be set to 0. Okay, so then we have to turn right or turn left. So I have to do it stepwise here. If we have to turn right like this, so it means that we have to start moving, and it should be up to 100, so full turn. And then we have to turn as long as the yaw angle is greater than the angle, this angle that we give. I have written here -3 or -2 because when this angle is bigger than this angle, then the motor should stop moving. So this is the right turn. So now I have to, in order to the left turn and the right turn, just these two blocks are different for the left turn and the right turn. So I have just made both left turn and right turn into one. So I've said that if the angle is greater than 0, so this is my stop moving. If the angle is greater than 0, so this is a right turn, and should be start moving to the right 100, and then the yaw angle. As long as the yaw angle is greater, wait and move as long as the yaw angle is not greater than this one. When the yaw angle is greater than this one, then stop moving. So otherwise, if the angle is not greater than 0, then it means that it's a left turn. So we turn left, and as long as we have to turn when the angle is less than this angle, then we should stop. So this is the right turn and the left turn, both of them. So we can test it. We can test both the right turn and the left turn and see how it works. So we use our turn here, turn degrees, how many degrees you have to turn. So we can test it with 90 degrees. We have to, this function or block that I have made, I use it here. So turn 90 degrees. So I say it, turn 90 degrees. Now let's check it. Now, so it's 90 degrees turn to the right. Now I have it like this, right ahead. So we turn right 90 degrees. I have to run it here. Great. It's turn right. I turn right once again. Let's see what happens. Good. Now let's see if I want to turn left 90 degrees. So turn left 90 degrees, it's minus 90. Turn left minus 90. So let's see if it works. Nice. So if I change it back to plus 90, it should come to the starting position. Great. Now let's check 180. Turn 180 degrees. So just nice, very good. Now if we put a minus ahead, turn minus 80, left turn. So let's check it. Great. Let's see if we turn 45 degrees, for example, or 35 degrees, or 65 degrees. 65 degrees to the right. So that's 65 degrees to the right. So this was a right turn and left turn using just one block. So I hope you have learned something from this, and this right or left turn we can then use it in order to make move when in a maze, or move somewhere, or move in a square or a triangle, or any other figures. So in the next video I'll gonna show you how we can move using this block and turn in different figures. Okay, have a great time. Bye bye.